Hello, and welcome to Webull. My name's Anthony Denier, and I'm the CEO of Webull Financial. I'm very excited to speak to you about our newest and exclusive additions to our app. At Webull, we believe that everyone should have an equal opportunity to control their own financial future. That's why we've created a state-of-the-art market data platform and integrated a professional-grade trading interface. At Webull, we have split-screen trading, P&L retracement, real-time quotes, and many more. Paying fees and commissions is no longer a reality. We believe nobody should be paying for market data or access to leverage. Subscription fees are a thing of the past. This philosophy and belief culminate into one easy-to-navigate state-of-the-art platform. Invest smart, trade free, that's Webull. Webull provides investors with real-time market data that is updated every millisecond. In a market where every second counts, our app's speed will be your edge. The market page of Webull app collects a lot of market data, including market index, recent IPOs, earnings, hot ETFs, and more, which can help you understand the market trends better. What's even cooler is that the advances and declines distribution of the stocks can dynamically present the stock market details, helping you judge the market conditions quickly. In addition to the US index, you can also switch to the global index to grasp global market movements at a glance. Every trader can attest to picking the right stock out of the pool of thousands is a daunting task. Good news, Webull can help. You select a pool of stocks based off your investment objectives. You can set your own criteria in Screener, such as market, quotes, financials, and technical indicators to select stocks you want. Compile your stock lists in sections and invest your time in what really matters, research. After you have compiled your stocks, maybe you'll ask friends, go online for research reports, or scour websites to pinpoint the perfect stock to invest in. There's no need to spread yourself out like that. Webull has got you. On the Webull market page, you can grasp the present, past, and future of a stock. Each stock page factors in market indicators and capital flow in order to bring you granular market data in real time. The following stock returns, or EPS, Analyst Ratings, and Target Price Forecasts are all culminated in the company's Financial Report tab. We use big data to help you understand the history of a company in minutes. If you dig even deeper into a stock in Webull, you can find where it bottomed out, the institutional positions, and many more. You don't get such granular data anywhere else for free. Through big data, we can try to predict the movement of a stock and determine its target price. It's just that much easier to determine the right time to buy or sell. How do we find the target price of a stock? We can collect information from historical sources to determine the target price. As Mark Twain says, history doesn't repeat itself, but it does rhyme. Webull stocks have 8 different types of advanced charts: line charts, candlesticks, average K-line charts, area charts, and much, much more. They support 25 technical indicators and the ability to mark varying parts on the graph to help analyze stock price movements. In addition to the powerful chart functions, Webull's new replay function displays the trend of any trading day in the past 30 days. Watch the trends in multiple playback speeds and review the stock at any point in the day. Once the target price has been set, the trader needs to execute the order. Some traders may babysit their portfolio and wait for that key moment. With a Webull account, you'll never miss that execution again. With smart alerts, you'll be able to track multiple price changes, changes in trading volume, releases in financial reports, and stock price changes. Avoid missing any market opportunities. Speaking of which, Webull also has a number of trading aids such as comparison, double map, and simulation trading. Our trading tools run deep. Are you always switching back and forth between the quotes and trading page? Are you afraid that you'll miss the best execution time when marking your graphs? Webull's full screen chart now has a new quick trading feature that lets you execute your order at a moment's notice. You will also be able to place an order or check your positions on the stock quotes page and be able to conveniently liquidate all of it. Start investing time in the most important parts of the market today. In addition to our rich array of tools, we have a plethora of tools that can aid your investment. Common market orders, limit orders, and stop orders are all basic. Invest smart, like Webull, and make use of stop loss and take profit orders, OCO orders, OTO orders, and OTOCO orders. Quickly and easily execute on the target price without putting in repeat orders. We will continue to update our advanced orders, so stay tuned. Let us talk about risk. Every trader takes a considerable amount, but Webull provides tools to mitigate it. On your Webull trading page, you can clearly see your risk level, your different types of buying power, and the number of day trades you have left. Tap into the performance and you will get a detailed outline of your profits and losses. Order history and capital details are all there to help you clearly understand the position and flow of each transaction. Webull is a platform born for trading. Real-time quotes, split-screen trading, and advanced orders are just one of the many tools we have on offer. The best part? We're zero commission, with zero clearing fees and no minimum deposits. Are you like me and cannot wait to get your hands on all these new features? Yeah? Great. Head over to our website or the App Store to download our platform now. Thank you, and remember, invest smart, trade free.